Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English Lab with Anna and Leo.
Hi, Anna. Hi, everyone. I'm excited for today's episode.
Great! Today, we're going to talk about something very useful, how to speak English at the doctor's office.
Oh, that's important. I always get nervous when I need to explain my symptoms in English.
Don't worry, Leo. By the end of this episode, you'll feel much more confident.
Perfect. Let's get started.
Okay, first, let's learn some useful vocabulary. Repeat after me, everyone.
Okay.
Headache.
Headache.
It means pain in your head.
Like when you study too much.
Exactly. Next, stomachache.
Stomachache. Pain in the stomach, right?
Yes. Then we have fever.
Fever. When your body is hot.
Good. That's when you cough. Cough. Make that sound.
Like when I catch a cold.
Perfect. Cold means a common illness with a runny nose and sneezing.
Cold.
And flu is similar but stronger with fever and body pain.
Flu. Okay, cold and flu. Got it.
Very nice. A few more. Sore throat, medicine, pill, bandage, and prescription.
That's a lot. Can we repeat slowly?
Sure. Sore throat,
Sore throat.
medicine,
Medicine.
pill,
Pill.
bandage,
Bandage.
and prescription.
Prescription. The paper the doctor gives for the medicine.
Exactly, Leo. Excellent job. Now, let's practice a simple dialogue between a patient and a doctor. Leo, you'll be the patient.
Oh no, I'm sick already.
It's just acting. Let's go. Hello, how can I help you today?
Hello, doctor. I don't feel very well.
I see. What's the problem?
I have a headache and a sore throat
How long have you had these symptoms?
for 2 days.
Do you have a fever?
Yes, a little.
Okay. Open your mouth, please. Say, ah.
Uh,
Your throat looks a bit red. You probably have a cold.
oh no.
Don't worry. Drink lots of water and rest. I'll give you a prescription for some medicine.
Thank you, doctor.
Great job, Leo. Let's explain some of the phrases we used.
Sure.
How can I help you today? That's how doctors usually start the conversation.
Like, what brings you here, right?
Exactly. Both mean the same.
And I don't feel very well. That's a polite way to say you're sick.
Correct. Instead of saying, I'm sick, you can say, I don't feel well.
Nice.
How long have you had these symptoms means, when did it start?
Oh, that's a good one. How long have you had? I can use it for other things too, right?
Yes. For example, how long have you had your car? Or how long have you lived here?
Got it.
Let's practice, everyone. Repeat after me. I have a headache.
I have a headache.
I have a sore throat.
I have a sore throat.
I have a fever.
I have a fever.
I don't feel very well.
I don't feel very well.
Excellent.
This is super helpful, Anna. Now if I get sick abroad, I can explain what's wrong.
Exactly, Leo. And remember, confidence is key when speaking English, even at the doctor's office. Let's keep learning how to speak English at the doctor's office.
I'm ready, Anna. My patient role continues.
Yes, you're still not feeling great, so you went back to the clinic for more questions. When you talk to a doctor, it's important to describe your symptoms clearly. Let's learn some more useful ones.
Okay, let's go.
I have a runny nose.
Runny nose. That means your nose is dripping, right?
Exactly. You can also say, I have a blocked nose if you can't breathe well.
Runny nose, blocked nose. Got it.
Good. Next, I have a cough.
I have a cough.
I have a rash.
Rash, like red spots on the skin?
Yes, perfect. I feel dizzy.
Dizzy, when the world spins around you.
Correct again. I feel weak and I feel tired.
I think I say that every Monday.
Same here. Finally, I have pain in my back or I have back pain.
Okay, I think I know these. Let's test me.
Sure. I'll say the meaning, and you say the sentence in English. Ready?
Ready.
Your head hurts.
I have a headache.
You can't breathe through your nose.
I have a blocked nose.
You feel like the room is spinning.
I feel dizzy.
You have small red spots on your skin.
I have a rash.
Excellent. You're doing great, Leo.
Thanks. I think I'm ready for the next doctor visit.
Okay, let's do a new role play. This time you'll explain your symptoms in more detail. Hello again, Leo. How are you feeling today?
Not so good, doctor. I still feel weak and dizzy.
Do you still have a fever?
Yes, a small one. Also, my throat hurts when I swallow.
I see. Let me check your temperature. You have 38 degrees Celsius. That's mild fever.
Oh, that's not too bad, right?
No, but you need rest. I'll give you a prescription for some medicine.
Okay, thank you.
Take 1 pill every 8 hours, drink lots of water, and sleep well.
Can I go to work tomorrow?
I recommend you stay home for 1 or 2 days.
All right, doctor. I'll do that. Thank you.
Get well soon. Let's explain some expressions we used.
Sure.
Take 1 pill every 8 hours means you should take a pill 3 times a day.
Morning, afternoon, and night. Got it.
Good. Get well soon, that's a polite phrase to wish someone to recover fast.
Like when a friend is sick, I can say, get well soon.
Exactly. And I'll give you a prescription. That's when the doctor writes down the medicine name for the pharmacy.
So if I go to the pharmacy, I just show the paper and they give me the medicine.
Correct. You can also say, "Can I get this medicine, please?"
Very useful.
Doctors often ask these questions. Repeat after me, everyone. How long have you felt this way?
How long have you felt this way?
Do you have any allergies?
Do you have any allergies?
Are you taking any medication?
Are you taking any medication?
Do you smoke or drink alcohol?
Do you smoke or drink alcohol?
Excellent. These are very common questions.
And what should I say if I don't take any medicine?
You can say, "No, I'm not taking any medication."
Simple and clear. I like that.
Okay, let's practice one more time before the final part. I'll say a situation and you respond naturally. You have a sore throat.
I have a sore throat.
The doctor asks, "Do you have any allergies?"
No, I don't have any allergies.
The doctor says, "Take this medicine twice a day."
Okay, doctor. Thank you.
Perfect.
This is so helpful, Anna. It's like a real doctor visit, but in English class.
Exactly. And in our final part, we will go over how to talk about recovery, health tips, and phrases for the pharmacy. Now that Leo has visited the doctor, it's time to go to the pharmacy.
Yes, I have my prescription right here. Let's buy some medicine.
Perfect. Let's practice useful phrases you can use at a pharmacy. Here are some sentences you might hear or need. Repeat after me. I need to buy this medicine, please.
I need to buy this medicine, please.
Here is my prescription.
Here is my prescription.
How much does it cost?
How much does it cost?
Can I get something for a headache?
Can I get something for a headache?
Do you have vitamins?
Do you have vitamins?
Excellent.
And what if I want something without a prescription?
Then you can say, I'd like an over-the-counter medicine.
Over the counter means no doctor note, right?
Exactly. You can just buy it directly. Let's do a short role play again. I'll be the pharmacist. Hello, how can I help you today?
Hello, I need to buy this medicine, please.
Sure. Do you have the prescription?
Yes, here it is.
Thank you. You should take 1 pill every 8 hours.
Okay, how much does it cost?
It's $15.
All right, I'll take it. Do I need to eat before taking it?
Yes, take it after meals.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Get well soon. Let's look at some of these expressions.
Okay.
After meals means after you eat breakfast, lunch, or dinner.
So take after meals means don't take it on an empty stomach.
Exactly. Get well soon, a friendly way to wish someone good health.
That's one of my favorite phrases.
Me too. You can say it to friends, family, or coworkers who are sick.
And how much does it cost is a good general question, not only for medicine.
Yes, you can use it when shopping for anything. Now let's talk about what to say when you start feeling better.
Finally, I'm healthy again.
I feel better today.
I feel better today.
My fever is gone.
My fever is gone.
I don't have a sore throat anymore.
I don't have a sore throat anymore.
I'm getting stronger every day.
I'm getting stronger every day.
I can go back to work tomorrow.
I can go back to work tomorrow.
Nice. And when someone asks, "How are you feeling now?" you can say,
I'm much better, thank you.
"Perfect answer." Let's learn phrases to talk about health habits.
Yes, because I don't want to get sick again.
I eat fruits and vegetables every day.
I eat fruits and vegetables every day.
I drink lots of water.
I drink lots of water.
I sleep 8 hours a night.
I sleep 8 hours a night.
I exercise 3 times a week.
I exercise 3 times a week.
I wash my hands often.
I wash my hands often.
Excellent. And remember, if you feel sick, rest and visit a doctor.
Right. No Google diagnosis.
Exactly. Google is not a doctor. Now let's learn a few easy idioms about health.
Ooh, I like idioms.
Now, under the weather means you feel a little sick.
Like, I'm feeling under the weather today.
Correct. All right. Now, back on my feet means you recovered from illness.
I was sick, but now I'm back on my feet.
Exactly. And as fit as a fiddle means very healthy and strong.
My grandma's 80, but she's as fit as a fiddle.
Perfect. Okay, Leo, final review time. Let's make a mini conversation from start to finish.
All right.
You feel sick and go to the doctor. What do you say?
Now, hello, doctor. I have a sore throat and a fever.
The doctor gives you a prescription. What do you do next?
I go to the pharmacy and buy the medicine.
The pharmacist says, take 1 pill after meals. What do you say?
Okay, thank you.
A few days later, your friend asks, how are you feeling now?
I feel much better, thank you.
Excellent! Today, you learned how to describe symptoms, visit a doctor, talk at the pharmacy, and speak about feeling better.
Yes, I can now survive a doctor's visit in English.
That's right.
My favorite phrase was, I'm feeling under the weather. It's so fun.
That's a great one.
Thank you, Anna. This was a super helpful lesson.
You're welcome, Leo. And thank you, everyone, for listening to English Lab with Anna and Leo.
Practice these phrases when you're healthy, not only when you're sick.
Exactly. The more you practice, the easier it becomes.
See you next time for another real English conversation.
Take care and stay healthy, everyone.
Bye-bye.